YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a Barbie inspired makeup tutorial. So it's going to be all soft pink glam kind of a look. So if you want to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel too, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So I have primed and moisturized my face really well to apply the foundation, the concealer all really effortlessly, and I'll be doing a voiceover for this video because I want to really focus when I'm doing the makeup. So let's get into this video. So I'll be using this Lancome foundation, around 2 to 3 pumps of this foundation, to evenly apply all over my face. I felt that this foundation is pretty light on my face, but anyways I'm blending it in to see how it looks on my face. So I thought, okay fine, I'll use like darker colored concealer because I don't know, I feel more attracted towards darker shades because that looks more natural, right? Because lighter shade of foundation all makes you look very ghost like, so I don't prefer that actually. Okay, now I'm going to use this loose powder because loose powder gives that good effect on your face, that airbrush finish. So I'll be applying that evenly all over my face. And I love compact powder too, but that feels more cakey, right? Now I'll be using this bronzer on my fat areas. And of course it's a Barbie look, so we have to put blush on our cheeks, right? So for a fuller look, like Barbie is more cute, right? So I'll be applying it on my apple of my cheeks. So we are done with that, and now I'm going to use this eyebrow color all over my eyebrows to give that defined look. And I don't know which step I'm going to do next, depends on by seeing the video. Okay, I'm going to use highlighter, this pinky highlighter, so to give that shiny look. Wow, it's so cute. This Makeup Revolution's highlighter, by the way. Okay, now we're going to do the eye look, so let's just zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to use this shade from K Beauty palette as a transition shade all over my crease, and we are blending in it really well. Next, I'm going to use this darker shade from the same K Beauty palette, my outer corner of the eyelid, just to give a good transition and like a good edge. Next, I'll use this shiny color, pinky color on my eyelid to give that entire glammed up look. Next, I'll use the same dark shade in my lower lash line to give a nice complete look, and also in my inner corners that same highlight shade. I'll use this eyeliner. I'm really sorry I messed up with the eyeliner. I really need to practice, but hey, we all have room for improvement, right? So yeah, I'm also improving, but I will learn and I will improve. Next, we'll use this mascara. This is a Maybelline mascara. I don't have the greatest of all lashes, but still we'll manage with these lashes only. And we are done with this look. I mean, I liked it how it turned out. The eyeshadow was pretty decent, and I'll do this other one too. See, it looks cute, like pinky, cute, glammed up too. Only if the eyeliner was nice, I would have rocked the look. Now we are going to do the final look, which completes the whole thing. The lipstick, it's this Maybelline Vinyl lipstick in the shade Saucy, and I'll be applying it all over my lips. It's such a pretty, cute, berry kind of a shade. And everybody has their own different versions of inspired Barbie looks, and this is my representation of how I would like my Barbie doll to look like. So yeah, this is how I feel like a Barbie doll should look like. So yes, this is the finished look, and I'll apply some setting spray too, just to look more dewy and more natural. Oh my god, I look cute, yaar. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy how it turned out, and I'll apply bow too, so we'll come back with that. Yay, I'm done with the bow. It's so cute. I ordered from Amazon. So this is the finished look. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.